parallel to this dimension's another one.
Well, for the past 7 months, it was an idea where I thought like, okay, I can make a film about this because it's a love story for the community. I'm Gelo. I'm Gelo Felipe, and I'm from Philippines. And I'm doing a volunteer work here in Dessau in Canal. So I arrived here like 1 year ago, and right now I'm still working on Canal. Yeah, I'm here for 1 year. For the first few months, I've been working on the film as a bachelor student back in the Philippines, and I have created a production in the Philippines doing an independent film. So my aspiration moving to Dessau in Germany and is to utilize these skills and to make more independent film. I've been working on film. I had bachelor in filmmaking. I've been collecting like documents and like informations and interviews, and I've been collaborating with people from Dessau. A lot of international students here have a lot of input in these documentaries, but I also realized I also needed like another filmmaker who specializes in sound design, who specializes in other section of film making. For example, filmmaking is consisted of like cinematography, editing, and graphic design and branding. So for me, working on the film for the past 7 months, I consider like venturing more filmmakers in Leipzig and Berlin. So I do have collaborator from Berlin, Leipzig, who's making my teaser, my sound design. Being gay, being part of the LGBTQ community, I'd like to kind of like introduce myself as someone who's not being afraid of like expressing myself to people, because there's a lot of people who've been restricting themselves because they're afraid to be judged by people around them. And I don't think this time would be the right time for them to restrict and oppress themselves against these people. And I'm very glad that the Canal helped me to support the idea and to help me with the techniques. So if anyone who's there would like to make film, they can also contact Canal, because Canal is such a good help for filmmakers like me who wanted to make a film that wanted to have an impact to the community. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the film. And when I first made the film, the intention was just to make a love story for the community who supported us. The international community is consisted of German and locals and international all over the world. I would like you guys to join us in the community and spread the word that there's film community as well who supported us, and I'm very grateful for the Kiez Kino as well to use this film for this event.